Hey, this is Mark, markgps.com, and today I'm going to do a tour of one of my own listings. This is 2696 South Sierra Madre A17, and we're in Twin Springs. This is a Donald Wexler designed community, and I usually swoop around so that you can see the street that it's on, but it made a lot more sense to sort of look at the community. We are looking at the community center, so there's a nice big room here, an area that you can work out, but it doesn't actually have a workout facility. When this structure was built, there were supposed to be a few more buildings, so they really have some terrific facilities and grounds here. So I have to say, this is a really great place. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,575 square feet, and is $650,000. This particular home has owned solar. So on top of the, actually I should point out, see where the yellow umbrella is? Right above it. It's almost like it's pointing to the living room of the unit that we're going to be looking at today. And the unit goes from that over to the right. So it's that whole right-hand side of the top of the building there. So back to the community things. There are there's 2 tennis courts. The far one, it has pickleball on it. This is the pool that is closest to the unit, but there's a whole nother pool that's over by a pavilion that's really nice. And this was all built up for the multiple buildings that were supposed to be here. All right, well, let's go take a look at the unit. Okay, I know I said let's go inside and take a look, but actually what I'm doing is I'm looking back at the tennis courts that we saw off of the first pool so that we could see the beautiful little river that goes through the community and the second pool and spa area. This is fee land, so this whole community is built on fee land but surrounded by leased land, which is really nice. The community itself has been on the Modernism Tour twice. And this particular unit has been on the Modernism Tour twice. They're going to be doing it again, I believe, this year. And one of the nice things about this is that they make a lot of money off of that, and they can use it for the community. So they have done some really wonderful maintenance and upgrades on this particular community. And I'm just bringing you in so that you can kind of see how you get to the units. So you come in through this really nice center courtyard breezeway. And on the far end over there, that is where the unit is. It's right at the top of those stairs. And when I did the previous video, or previous beginning on this, I was on the other side of that building at the pool side. Okay, now let's go inside and take a look. Okay, so we're walking into the unit, and this is it's almost completely updated in many ways. It's really beautiful. We'll get to the kitchen. It has the original cabinets that have been painted, but then it has these really great countertops and terrific backsplash, all new appliances, so that looks really wonderful. In here, there's not terrazzo tile, but it is a reproduction that's done in porcelain that really is nice. It's a big size, and it just looks terrific in here. And then you can see what a beautiful layout this is. So these units have a lot of space, which is great. The living room is really quite engaging and lovely. And then you have the view outside. So from here, I don't think the camera's doing what it needs to do. Let me kind of go over and we'll take a look. You can see that from up here, there is just this spectacular view. So I am taking us outside, and you can see down to where I started. I was over on the far end of that pool. And it sounds like they're doing some mowing around here. But the mesa's off to the left. We're looking all the way north right now, and you can actually see the windmills in the far distance. And then you're gonna go looking towards the east side. So this is really a lovely view. And this patio that is here goes along the entire unit. When I was describing it from below, I mentioned that above that yellow umbrella, which is where I'm now standing, is part of the unit. It actually goes all the way across, and then there's another bump out just like this one on the other side, and that is outside the primary bedroom. Both bedroom doors actually come out onto this. So as I come back around, you can see the size of this unit, which is really terrific. And now we're just gonna kind of walk through and see the different elements of it. That's the entry there, and you have a gate that can be closed off, I guess, if you want. I'm not sure how valuable that is, but you can see it is there at the top of the stairs. Nice, ample dining space. And then we have the kitchen. So there's this great hallway. You can kind of see me. They have this wonderful mid-century pattern on the mirror. And then as I come in, you're gonna see that there's some nice storage on the left, great backsplash, new countertops. I mean, the kitchen looks brand new, even though it is utilizing the original cabinets, because you know what? They're great, and cabinets don't change that much if they're done well. They're just done well. So this is Really, really nicely done. Across the hall there is where the HVAC is. That has been updated. And then the first bedroom, so this is between the primary that's at the very end and the living room. The first bedroom is here. It has carpet. So these have carpet instead of the tile that's throughout the hallway and the rest of the unit. And this is a king size bed in here, so there's plenty of space. Great views going out to the patio, and you can see the hillside. And then both bedrooms have 2 closets. That's one of the unique things about the layout of these units. There's a closet here, which is just a regular door walk-in, and then there is also the mirrored closet to the right, or left of me, I should say. I'm going to go back out into the hallway, and in the hall, as I come around the side, you're going to see there is a bathroom there. There's me, hey Mark, markgps.com, if you've got questions about real estate. This bathroom is original, so this does have the new tile in it, and it's been, you know, new toilet, but the original tile around the surround of the bath, original countertops, just upgrades to the hardware. It's very, very cute. And when we get to the next bathroom, which has been totally updated, you can see that they put their process into that and making it really lovely. Okay, again, big bedroom, carpet. This is king size bed. This is really a nice size primary bedroom. Lots and lots of space here. As you can see, that's the other end of the patio that we saw when I was outside. They do have a little doggy here. It's very, very cute. Lots and lots of space. And then this too has 2 closets. So there are 2 walk-in closets. There's the walk-in closet that's just to your right as you're coming in. And then there is this closet here to my right currently, and that is your second walk-in closet. Now this is the primary bath. So this has all been updated, which is really lovely. And there I am. Hey, Mark, markgps.com. I love this tile. I think my clients did an amazing job on this. It's really pretty. Great floating countertop feel, even though it is anchored to the floor there. And then you can see the tile has been extended into this bathroom. This closet here is where the stackable washer and dryer is located, so it is in unit. There's even a really cool vent, yeah. And then the shower has this really lovely longer tile that's larger, and then again, the repeat of the tile that we just saw over the vanity. I think it's spectacular. Of course, you have the loo. Great choice of wallpaper. I love it. All right, well, that's it for us today. If you have any questions about real estate, just let me know. My name is Mark, markgps.com. Happy to help out. And of course, if you'd like to see this listing, it's mine. So feel free to contact me. I would be happy to get you set up with a showing of this particularly cool unit that has been on the Modernism Tour twice. All right, take care.